Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix network error on your settings. We will go to find this solution on how we can do that on your TikTok app. You just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window like you say, and you just go down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps window, and we will go down here to looking for TikTok app here in this window. We will go to find TikTok app, and we will just keep going. So sorry, we will go back and we will click on TikTok here, then we come to next window and you click here on for stop, then you click on OK, and you just click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and we will go to Play Store. You just click on here on Play Store, then you click here on update. So it's going to show for you that it's update. You click here and it's going to fix your problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you next video.